Okay guys, I missed a video yesterday. I was having technical problems, but what a comeback. I mean, the markets were down like over 2% and it rallied back to close flat or up on the day. So huge comeback today. Fed minutes came out. Market is up. S&P is up 0.6%. Nasdaq's up about 1%. I feel like this market is starting to shift gears and worrying a little bit less about inflation and a little bit more about an economic recession. I think I'm going to do another video with some more thoughts on that. But for now, I just want to catch up on some of the trades that we've done over the past 2 days. So this morning I closed out this Dollar Tree. This is the bull call vertical that we had done. Dollar Tree over the past 2 days had a really dramatic run. It was sitting on its 20-day and its 50-day. Moved from 155 to 165 over 2 days, so I took that off. So here's Dollar Tree, bull call vertical. We had put it on May 13th. So we sold the August 19th 165 calls for 11.03, and then we had bought the August 19th calls 160 strike price for 13.43. Today I unwound the entire position for about a 33% gain. All right, here's Mickey D. I did a bull call vertical on it. This was yesterday. This is actually the only trade I got off yesterday. I was having some technical issues. So bull call vertical on McDonald's. You can see here the stock has found some support here. It's been drifting higher. Whether this is going to be a new uptrend or not will remain to be seen. But I took this position here. I need this thing to rise to about 261 or so on or before expiration. So for Mickey D, I had sold the August 5th 265 calls for 224. Went ahead and I bought the August 5th calls, $260 strike price for 380, and we're waiting for this thing to trail higher. I also have opened this straddle on McDonald's because it's just been so tight and coiling here. So I'm looking for a break either way. Now that I have the bull call vertical on it, I'm rooting for the upward break. So yeah, we have 2 positions with McDonald's here. All right, here's Wells Fargo. Wells Fargo has been in a downtrend. You can see it's riding its 20 and its 50-day down. It found resistance here at its 50, found resistance at the 20, found resistance at the 50, sold off hard, came back, is testing the 20. I'm thinking that this is going to continue to roll over. The 20 is below the 50, clearly in a downtrend. So I went ahead with the bear put vertical on this one as it's approaching its 20-day moving average here. So with the bear put vertical, I had sold the August 19th puts. This is the $32.50 strike price for 53 cents, and I went ahead and I bought the August 19th $37.50 strike price for $1.71. Looking for that downward move. I also took advantage of this downtrend, and I went ahead with the bear call credit spread. So I need this thing to trade below 42.17 by next Friday. That's the 15th of July, and then I'll be able to keep that credit spread. So here I had sold the July 15th $42 calls for 25 cents, and I went ahead and I bought the July 15th $44 calls for 8 cents. Again, looking for these both to expire worthless so I can collect that premium. Here's Nucor. I trade Nucor a lot, it seems. It's always popping up on my screens. Did a straddle here, so I want this thing to move either way. Clearly it's been in a major downtrend, broke this uptrend, and now it's shifted to a downtrend. But today's action, it's up pretty nicely. I'm looking for a break either way. So with the Nucor straddle, I had bought the July 22nd puts 104 strike price for 505. I also went ahead and I bought the July 22nd 104 calls for 525. Again, looking for a break either way, playing it neutral. Parker Hannifin bear put vertical on this, so you can see the stock has been riding its 50-day moving average down. The 50 is above its 20, heading down, sloping downward. So I'm anticipating further downside for the name. It was down a lot more earlier. It has since come back, but I'm anticipating further downside here, hence the bear put vertical that we put in place. So with PH, I had sold the August 19th 220 puts for 482, and I went ahead and I bought the August 19th 240 puts for 1143. So Intercontinental Exchange, ICE, 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 baby. Yeah, clearly in a downtrend. It has had a rough couple of months. Riding its 20-day, which is acting as resistance. Hit its 20-day today, has since bounced off. I went ahead with the bear put vertical. So So we had sold the August 19th 85 puts for $1.09. Went ahead and we bought the August 19th 95 puts for $3.80. Okay, so market is at the highs of the day today. Here's where we are with the new trades, all caught up. I will do another video on my thoughts, inflation versus growth. Some interesting insights, I think, there. And until that time, I'll speak to you soon.